Yo, what's up? I'm on my way to the bank, and then I'm gonna meet the Ambitious Whips crew at the diner. They always meet. Then we're gonna cruise out to the MIR Rally, the International Raceway Rally. Sorry, why are so many people on the road on this Sunday? Can you see this shit? What the fuck? What the fuck is this nigga doing? Hold up, I gotta adjust shit. Yo cousin, get your fucking people. What the fuck? Lady, it's still for sale. I'm trying to get it. Alright, let me get the number this time. It says, yeah, these people are maniacs. But yo, we at the diner. I don't know if you can see that because it's probably bright as hell. The diner with the homie. Hey, Rob. We're waiting on Vince and the crew. Hopefully they didn't forget because it's like daylight savings time. Was that Mr. I'm going home? I haven't seen. Shows up. I know. That's what I call him now. He said he don't care. Now. I'm going home now. Why did he just do it like that? He was like, I'm going home. Yo, I'm trying to get this Evo following us. Hold on. This nigga funny as shit. Slow car, slow forward. I'm not gonna mess with Rob. There, look, there he go right there. Look, he's smiling. He already know. Look at it. Hey, why you slow? You got GPS?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna leave you there. Cause we was trying to get the Civics. We was trying to mess with the Civics.
Oh yeah.
That's what we were trying to do. Yeah, so he has the GPS, so Rob, I'm leaving you, bro. I'm sticking up with Colin. Not Colin, I forgot his name. Yeah, we're at Wawa right now. So we just got something. Sorry, exhaust. But we just got something to eat. We're back on the road on our way to the rally. But in a second. Probably can't see it. It's like a bunch of fucking cars. I love this shit.
Run it. Run it. Late night or early morning, I can't tell. They praying on my downfall, I wake up fly as hell. Can't shoot me down, 40,000 feet above LA. I put it all into motion to take over, been underway. Ooh, I know they want a piece of me. If I put it on a record, it's a guarantee from me. What you need from me, I I've been on me from the jump. Got a girl with a back, you can see it from the front. All over the map, she ain't seen me in some months. Hey, when I hit the road, love when I do the home runs. If you're never offline, man, you own one. I let my boys talk, hardly ever do my own stunts. I ain't really with the acting, I'm with the action. I let a lot go, addition by subtraction. If I don't know you, don't remind me. And if you're supposed to, then you'll know where to find me. Low-key squatting, chose keep watching. Love it when they do it too, the boy need options. Whole team mobbing, whole team mobbing. When I come around, got the whole thing wobbing. Wobbing, wobbing. When I come around, got the whole thing wobbing. Wobbing. Let me know you down and I hit it up. Tell me who you love. Tell me who you love. All my homegirls think I'm getting groupie love. All the roadie chicks looking for the movie love. They think I'm famous, I don't even got a tour bus. You and Lust, talking like it's just the two of us. Holding up the line, you like what that got to do with us? Nada, but holla if you wanna. I'm under these girls, they act like Madonna. I gotta get in and get out, disappear like Tada. Hop out the whip like what I with my brothers. Do it like I said I would, inch by inch. I've been stacking up X's like pitch by pitch. Live life pinch by pinch, not supposed to be here. Told some old girls that I would, they said be real. Now it's jumping, I ain't even have my leap year yet. Expect the troop, we the premier set. We been low-key squatting, chose keep watching. Love it when they do it too, the boy need options. Whole team mobbing, whole team mobbing. When I come around, got the whole thing wobbing. Wobbing, wobbing. When I come around, got the whole thing wobbing. Wobbing. Let me know you down and I hit it up. Tell me who you love. Tell me who you love, tell me who you love. I've been on my drinking, smoking, loving girls and leave them open. I've been on my drinking, smoking, I was hoping you would come and ride with the boy, get lost for a little bit. Rode through the old spot for the shit of it. You been giving off signs for a minute, huh? I ain't read them right, huh? I'm illiterate. I've been all caught up, tryna balance in a world where they all want some. Girl, they all want some.
Yo, so like, anyway, like I said, we're here. I think, what you call him in there left, because we're like too slow. I be waiting on this guy. He don't be knowing what he wants to do. I love you, Rob. I love you, Rob.
Man, I'ma get it, baby. Yeah, I'ma get it, baby. Yeah, I'ma feel it, baby.
But this motherfucker's angry as shit.
Bruh. Really, nigga?
That's the track. You see that? Fucking doing.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.